I'm a visual artist, a creative practitioner, and it's also my pleasure and privilege to be married to Rachel. So as far as the narrative of the story, I was there, and so I'm very much connected with this whole performance and the experience that Rachel's gone through. So we're looking at a moving wallpaper behind the actors and singers on the stage, something that will support everything that's going on stage, not interfere too much. It comes out every now and again and comes back. The idea was to emulate a sea shore of the kind of the waves just kind of coming in gently and going back out again. So the images will come in, you'll engage with them, and they'll kind of drift back again. And they'll just hopefully kind of coerce the narrative along. I really hope that the images will just support and become part of the overall ambience that the audience are enjoying and engaging with, that we're transported through the images to locations, to that. So hopefully you can smell the sea. When you're sitting there watching the whole thing, you actually just will be enveloped by that whole sense of being on the shore.